Most home kitchens are over-engineered with tools that serve no functional purpose. In the Wade Media Workshop, we view every unused item as a tax on your efficiency. When you fight through a drawer of Unitascars to find your primary skillet, you're suffering from a clutter tax. It's not just about space, it's about the mental friction of a disorganized station. At Wade Media Labs, we track the usage of 50 common tools over 30 days. We measured functional density, the ratio of a tool's utility to the space it occupies in your workshop. Our research confirmed that a heavy gauge cast iron, a triply stainless skillet, and a high carbon chef's knife handle the vast majority of all thermal tasks. These are your essentials. The remaining 80%? They trap moisture, attract dust, and obscure your view of the gear that actually matters. In a professional workflow, if you don't use it weekly, it doesn't belong on the line. By hiding the bottom 80% of your inventory, you eliminate decision fatigue and create a streamlined, industrial-grade workspace. Optimization is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. You don't need a larger kitchen, you need better metallurgy and less fluff. In the workshop of the kitchen, precision beats volume every time. See our high-performance essentials list and the full functional density report at cookwarescout.com. Look for the 80/20 cookware guide.